Have you ever wondered if you could sneeze with your eyes open? It's a common myth that many people actually believe to be a fact. Sneezing is a powerful reflex. Your body forcefully expels air to clear your nasal passages of irritants or allergens effectively in a short time. The reason why it's hard to sneeze with your eyes open is due to an involuntary reflex. Your brain sends signals to contract your eyelids. It's difficult, but not entirely impossible. It may not be comfortable. Most people's eyes will automatically shut. There's no danger. So next time you feel a sneeze coming on, don't worry about your eyes popping out. It's just a natural reflex to keep things safe.